Hi, this is Bernice Guerrero from Cisco Tech. In this video, I will show you how to generate a troubleshoot file of an FMC and FTD from the web interface of the Firepower Management Center. Both are generated by the same way. In the FMC Web Interface, select System, Health, Monitor. There you will see a graph and under that an appliance table, which contains all the devices registered in the FMC and the FMC itself. If there is nothing displayed, click on the graph to display the appliance table. The devices displayed will depend on their status: disable, normal, critical, recover, warning. You should select the portion of the graph to show or not show the devices under each status. Click on the name of the appliance. In this case, let's start with the FMC. Click Generate Troubleshooting File. To start the file generation, the dialog box will ask you to select the data you want to include within the file. It's recommended to leave all unless you are specifically asked for something. Click Generate. You can check that the generation file is running in the Task menu. Select the icon between the Deploy and System tab. Then select Tasks tab. You will see there a dialog message with a loading icon. Depending on the number of devices and configuration you have, the generation time is long. Once it's finished, click to retrieve generated files. This will download the file from the browser to your computer. The same procedure will be for any device registered within the FMC. Let's take a quick look with the FTD. Go back to Health Monitor and click on the FTD now. Click Generate Troubleshooting Files. Select the data you will require and generate. Then we can monitor again the troubleshooting file generation task. Once it has finished, retrieve the generated files and save. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for watching.